Money Masters, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic, Paytm and the recent news surrounding its payments bank. Let's unpack what's happening, what it means for you, and how it might impact your financial game. On January 31st, 2024, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, issued a directive restricting Paytm Payments Bank, PPB, from accepting new deposits or credit transactions after February 29th. This means you won't be able to top up your PPB wallet or savings account after that date. But hold on, before you panic, your existing money is safe. You can still use it for transactions and withdraw it even after the deadline. Now, why did the RBI take this action? The official statement mentions persistent non-compliances and continued material supervisory concerns. Essentially, the RBI found some issues with how PPB operated and wants them to fix those before accepting new funds. Impact on users. So how does this affect you as a Paytm user? PPB wallet. You can still use your existing balance for payments, shopping, etc., but you can't add more money after February 29th. Consider transferring remaining funds to another wallet or bank account before the deadline. Paytm app. The main Paytm app used for payments and other services is not directly affected. You can continue using it normally. Other Paytm services. Paytm's loan distribution, insurance, and equity broking services are also unaffected. Overall impact. This news has undoubtedly impacted Paytm's stock price and raised concerns about PPB's future. However, it's important to remember that Paytm is a large company with diverse offerings. This is mainly focused on PPB and doesn't necessarily affect their whole business. What to do now? Here's what you can do. Check your PPB balance. See how much money you have and plan to use it or transfer it before the deadline. Explore alternative wallets. If you rely on PPB for everyday transactions, consider other wallet options to continue adding funds. Stay informed. Keep an eye on updates from Paytm and the RBI for further developments. Remember, this is a developing situation, and the long-term implications are still unclear. Stay informed, make informed decisions, and don't panic. Thanks for joining me today, Money Masters. Let me know your thoughts on this situation in the comments below. Do you use Paytm? How will this affect you? Until next time, keep mastering your money.